Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two Anker chargers and battery banks all in one. So the smaller one here on the right is the Anker portable charger model number 511. One on the left here is the Anker model number 733. The smaller one has a 5,000 milliampere battery built in. The bigger one has a 10,000 milliamp hour battery built in. So these operate under the same principle. You can plug them in and charge them. There's a battery in here, and they also act as a wall charger. So when you plug them into the wall, it's going to charge the battery up inside here and also put power out. Now this has two USB-C ports and a USB-A. This one only has one USB-C port. Now once you get the battery all charged up in here, you can stow those, and now you've got like a little battery power bank. You don't need to be around a receptacle, and now you can charge up your products with just the battery inside here, which is very nice. Then when you get to the hotel or wherever you're at, plug them in, and then it also charges your device, but it also powers it up and lets you use it. Now with the 733, you get quite a bit more power output. With it plugged into a wall outlet, you get up to 65 watts out. The most you're going to get out of the 511 is 20 watts. Okay, so the 511, you pretty much get on the USB-C out, you get 5 volts at 3 amps or 9 volts at 2.22 amps. On the 733, I get quite a bit more power output on those USB-Cs. I get all the way up to 20 volts at 3.25 amps, which is 65 watts. That's enough to charge a MacBook Air when it's plugged in. That's called charger mode. When it's on battery mode, when it's just using the built-in battery, the most I can get is about 30 watts max out of the USB-C 1 and 2 ports. So another nice feature about the 733 is it does have a USB-A output. So if you got a cable that still has USB-A to your charging, this is a good one to get. Whereas the 511 only has a USB-C output. Now the 733 does do super fast charging on the Samsung S22. You can see I got super fast charging, which is really nice. But on the 511, I just get fast charging, which is still really nice, but it's not as fast as super fast charging. Okay, I got the 733 hooked up to an iPhone. It does fast charging. I've got this little tool installed in line with the cable to let me know the voltage and the amperage. So we can see the 733 puts out 9 volts, almost 1.6 amps to the iPhone. So the 511s, I've got it hooked up to the iPhone now, and it's putting out about 8.86 volts at 1.78 amps. Now the 733 is quite a bit bigger. It has quite a bit more battery in there, but they both operate. You press the button, and it lets you know the status of the charge, how much battery you have in there. Now the 733 does have a trickle charge. If you press the button twice, the little green light comes on to let you know that it has a trickle charge coming out for lower things that require lower amperage. To get it out of trickle charge, press the button once. But again, I just can't stress how nice these are to have. I love having these. So on the airplane, I was able to charge my device even though I wasn't near a plug-in, using the battery inside here. And then when I got the hotel, I just plugged it in, it charged this, and it also charged my phones at the same time. And again, when I had this plugged into a wall outlet, you get 65 watts out one of these USB-C ports. That's enough for fast charging on a MacBook Air. Now the 65 watts is total. When you plug something else in, the wattage does drop down. But on the 733, I can charge up to 3 things on here. Just the wattage will be 65 total coming out. So I hope the video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.